Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 54 says, the protection of an individual's freedom from infringement defines dash rights. Infringement means violation, or stepping on one's rights. That is infringement on individuals. So the protection of an individual's freedom from infringement define dash right. A. Economic. B. Legal. C. Moral. D. Political. E. Social. When we talk of economic right, it has to do with owning of property. The legal right has to do with legal has to do with law suits. The moral has to do with conduct. Then political has to do with politics. Then social has to do with freedom of an individual. So the protection of an individual's freedom from infringement defines that type of right, defines social right. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.